Welcome to the Shit Show. My name is Saida Simon and this is my friend
Chris van Lit. Today it's our lesson 2 from the Swiss German lessons Bern style. We have 2 more facts today for you. Fact number 1 is in Switzerland we have 4 languages, and Swiss German is not an official language in Switzerland. We have first the language German.
Flugzeug!
Then we have the language French.
Avion.
We have the language Italian.
Farfalla!
And fourth, we have a language we call Romansch.
Deine Husare, Lyrik sind alles, Musculus.
And the second fact today is, for Swiss Germans there are no official rules. We just write how we speak with each other and how we speak in the different dialects. So, today in lesson 2 we thought maybe it's a good idea to repeat the first 2 words we had in our lesson 1. If you remember, maybe word number 1 was Swiss German, and this word in German
Schweizerdeutsch.
And you say it in Swiss German like
Schweizerdeutsch.
And now you see how you can write that. Word number 2 we had in our lesson 1 was the word, the dialect we speak in our hometown in Bern, and we say it in German.
Berndeutsch.
And in Swiss German,
Berndeutsch.
and now you will see again how you can write that. For today, for lesson 2, we have 2 more words for you. And we have really simple words today. Word number 1 is yes, and in German yes mean
Ja.
and in Swiss German yes mean.
Ew.
And now you see how you can write that. Our second word today in our lesson 2 is the simple word no. And in German we write it like that.
Nein.
And in Swiss German we say for no.
Na.
And now you will see how you can write that. Today in our lesson 2 we had some new signs to try how it goes with that. We had also the repetition, maybe to memorize, repeat a little bit better. Yeah, it was also a little bit shorter than lesson 1, so we hope you enjoyed it. And so let's say
Sloncha and see ya.